Installing a bottom M.2 cabled adapter and M.2 drive. Align the bottom M.2 cabled adapter with the guide pins, and then lower the adapter down until it is firmly seated. Secure the bottom M.2 cabled adapter with 6 screws. Connect the cables to the bottom M.2 cabled adapter. Reinstall the bottom air baffle. If necessary, install an M.2 drive. Unfasten the screw that secures the retainer. Insert the M.2 drive into the connector at an angle. Gently press the other side of the M.2 drive down into place. Fasten the screw. Reinstall the bottom cover. Align the bottom cover with the guiding slots on both sides of the chassis and then slide it forward until it is firmly seated. Use the key to lock the node covers.